Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to edit message on Instagram. Having the option to edit sent messages allows you to fix any grammatical typos that you might have made in a rush, or even rewrite an impulsive message that you have sent by accident. Let us look at how you can use this feature in the Instagram's app. The edit option for Instagram DMS was recently rolled out to all the users of the app. It works as intended and only requires a couple of taps to work. To use this feature, simply follow this video. First, on Instagram, tap on the messenger icon in the top right corner to go to the chat section. Now, go to the conversation where you want to make changes. Then, tap and hold the message that you want to edit. From the pop-up that appears, select the New Edit option, and you can rewrite the message or make any corrections. Tap the send icon to see the new message, along with the edited tag. The edited message will replace the original text. However, the recipient may have read the original message in the chat or from a notification before it's been edited. Therefore, this feature does not guarantee that the other user will not see the original message. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.